You guys ready for another TikTok mashup? Well, here we go. Okay, first you take a pickle, then you anal probe it, then you grape it with the wiener, then you dip it in some batter, deep fry that motherfucker, and deliciousness. Let's go. Alright, we're spraying on some white lines on the grill. Let's go. Are we gonna need a straw for this? Or a fucking dollar bill? Oh, checkering it up. Let's go. Okay, I see you. Cracking some huevos on top of the lines or the checkerboard. What's up with the shit music though, man? Who picked this fucking dog shit music? Anyways, scrambling it up on there. Yeah. Okay. What is? Oh, some spinach. Let's go. Flip her over. Those flipping skills. Let's go. Alright, another flip. Then you put it on the chopping block. Throw some teriyaki sauce on there with some rice. Throw it on there. Folding it up. That looks like a weird burrito. Mmm. Damn, looked like his chair got ran over a couple times, but this guy out here risking his life for a picture, that's what you call A1 photographer right there.
I'll tell you right now, that trash truck tomorrow is gonna have a real good surprise.
Alright, an engine versus a trash truck. Let's go, let's see what happens. Alright, it's looking good. Oh, stuttering. A little stuttering. Oh, there goes stuttering again. I think it got it. It got it. It got it. And no mommies. Alright, there's an AI robot. Oh, jacking another AI robot. Is it like some racist shit? White AI robots hate black AI. Oh, what the fuck? He's looking at you, man. Better put that damn shit back. There you go, that's right. Put that, whoa, I thought he was gonna grab his penis or some shit. Alright, what do we have today? Oh, an empty container of deodorant. Some oh, you boil up some Vaseline. Oh, we get some sawdust. Mixed it in there. Alright. Let's go, oh, what? Ugh, it looks like diarrhea, man. The hell is this? You're supposed to put that in your armpits when you're smelling bad or what? Alright, you just take your diarrhea stick and what do you do with that? Oh, you light a fire with it. What will happen if you put that stuff on your armpits though? Alright, first you're going to want to get some Oreos. Then you're going to want to give your Oreos some steroids because you want to pump them up, then munch them down. Alright, what do we got here? Oh, holy moly, this guy's driving a transformer, man. The stuff money can get you. Must be nice. Must be nice. Wow. What the fuck is that shit? Looks like an alien fucked up fish and that came out. Wait. Run that back. That was way too quick. Let me see that again. Yo, that's crazy. Giving yourself stitches in the middle of the woods with some duct tape, 2 pieces of twigs, and some wire? That's insane thinking right there. If that's not MacGyver enough for you, I don't know what is.